Now, multi-lane roundabouts, if we have more than one lane available for our exit, initially we should apply this rule that we using the left lane to go left and straight. On approach to this roundabout, you're gonna see three straight arrows in the lane. So actually it is possible to go straight ahead. I'll be going straight ahead second exit. So it is possible to go straight ahead, or allowed to go straight ahead from any of the lanes, yeah? So 1, 2, or 3. I'm gonna choose my default lane 1, and I'm gonna stay in this lane going straight ahead second exit. So all I need to do here is keep in this same lane I've chosen on approach. I'm gonna wait for the traffic lights. I'm stopping here because we have a pedestrian crossing. We don't want to be stopped on a pedestrian crossing while waiting. And the lights change, so I'm gonna just follow the car ahead of me, checking my right mirror for the traffic in the next lane, and following the same lane after exit 1, I'm gonna check my mirror, signal left, and come off the roundabout. Still accelerating. I'm gonna approach the same roundabout, going straight ahead for exit 2. This time I'm gonna choose the middle lane on approach. As we can see, we have straight arrows in all 3 lanes. So depending on what's happening in lane 1, this may be congested or more congested than other lanes. I would choose alternative lanes possible to go straight ahead. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you what's the difference in positioning when you're choosing lane different to default. Yeah, so normally you would choose the left lane to go straight, but on this occasion we're choosing lane 2. And again, checking what company we have in lane 3 and lane 1, checking behind us for the car that's following you as well, and keeping safe distance to the car ahead. So now we're staying in the middle lane, the same lane we've chosen on approach. Again, checking the left mirror, quick signal to come off the roundabout, then accelerating into this lane, then checking my left mirror and switching back to the left lane when safe. Now the final approach from this side to I roundabout, I'm going to take the third lane this time, going straight ahead still for second exit. As you can see, I can use this lane to go straight ahead. I wouldn't advise it to new drivers or the learner drivers on the test. It is legal, you can still do it, but you're going to have a lot more work to do on exiting the roundabout. Mirror checks and deciding if safe to go, monitoring the traffic to your left at this point. So I wouldn't advise it to novice drivers. So I'm waiting in this lane. Again, I'm going to follow this very lane coming off the roundabout, bearing in mind my lane and lane 2, they are going to merge after the roundabout. So no signal here. Monitoring what's on my left hand side, signaling left to come off the roundabout and aiming at the very inside lane here, still monitoring the cars behind me because the lanes are merging. I need to accelerate as well, and when safe, moving over to the left lane. So mirror, signal, gradually move over, maintaining both good speed, good progress, and the distance to the cars ahead of you.